Here is how you can easily fade out an image with a transparent gradient in Photoshop within 30 seconds or less. To begin, let's select our layer and then just create a new layer mask. Make sure your new layer mask is selected and then find your gradient tool, which might be hidden under the paint bucket tool. And then at the top here, you want to select the linear gradient. You can play around with these different gradient types, but I'll just stay with the linear gradient for now. And then for your gradient here under the basics, I like the black to white, but you can also play around with the black to transparent. I'll just leave it black to white for now. And then here where your paint colors are, you want it to be black on top and then white on the bottom. If it's not like that, you can just select the little icon here and then reverse the colors. And now making sure that our layer mask is selected, let's just click and drag, and holding shift just to keep it in a straight line, you can add your gradients here. And if you want to make any adjustments, you can play around and move these handles. Even the center handle here if you want to adjust your gradient harshness. And of course you can switch it if you want it to be, top to bottom, on an angle, however you want. So I'll just do from left to right, and then just to kind of preview how this looks with a color background, let's just add a solid color, and I'll make this black, and then just bring that layer below. So here's how that transparent gradient looks with a black background. And that's really all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps a lot to support the channel and to continue making tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.